Welcome to online class, English for Today, class 8. I am Ilasri Chaudhary, assistant teacher, Chattogram Collegiate School, Chattogram. Dear students, good morning, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty God. Okay, today I have come to take a class of English for Today, class 8. Look at the board. There are some pictures. Can you tell me what the pictures say? Picture number 1. What can you see there? Okay. We can see some children are playing on the branches of a tree. Picture number 2. What can you see here? Okay, we can see a man is embracing a tree like his friend. Maybe he is a nature lover. Picture number 3. What can you see here? Okay. We can see a girl is lying on the tree. Maybe she is taking rest because she is tired. Picture number 4. What can you see here? Yes, we can see a boy is planting a young tree. Okay, from these pictures, what can you guess? Which lesson I am going to discuss today? Okay, you can understand. Today's and they are all 3 hours. Our today's lesson is A Man Who Loves Tree, Unit 5, Lesson 4. I know you are ready with your book, khata and pen. Okay, open your book, Unit 5, Lesson 4. Do you know the man? Please. Let us introduce with him. What is his name? His name is Kartik Paramanik. What is his father's name? His father's name Suren Paramanik. What is his mother's name? His mother's name is Subhash Bala. What is his village name? His village is Tarapur. His upazela's name Shibganj. His district Chapainababganj. What does he do? He is a hairdresser. What is passion? Planting trees. How many trees does he plant? More than 100. What is his identity? His identity is a nature lover. Okay. Now, let us discuss about the keywords. Profession. What does it mean? Can you guess? Look at the picture. You see a hairdresser. Meaning, okay. Meaning occupation, job, business. Okay, can a sentence Kartik Padamanik is a hairdresser by profession? Sapling. What does it mean? Can you tell me? Can you tell me the meaning of sapling? Okay, I am helping you. Okay, look at the picture. A young kid. Sapling means seedling, plantlet, young kid. There is a sentence also. Kartik used to plant sapling. Mission. What does it mean? Who can tell me? Who can tell me the meaning of it? Mission. Look at the picture. Mission. They are running to reach the goal. Maybe duty, operation, target. There is a sentence. No vision is successful without a mission. Look at the picture. Gigantic. Gigantic. What does it mean? Meaning huge, massive, large. There is a sentence, what a gigantic tree it is. Passion. What does it mean? Can you tell me the meaning? Okay, look at the picture. Please guess the meaning of word passion. Meaning desire, love, appetite. Okay, there is a sentence. This is a symbol of heavenly passion. Let us have a tour to the farthest corner of Bangladesh. We see here is a map. Sapai Nawabganj district. The Shibganj Upazila. There is a village where Kartik Padamanik lives. It is Tarapur. Kartik Padamanik lives in this village. Before planting trees, Tarapur was like a desert without trees. Present Tarapur, green. Look at the picture, it is the scenery of Tarapur village. The present condition of Tarapur. Green Tarapur. Green Tarapur. Green. Okay, next. Look at the pictures. What is the condition of two people? They are the model, no shape. Kartik would get tired in the burning sun like the pictures. Kartik had to go to different houses for his job in the burning sun. But he would get tired, but did not get any tea to take rest, to sit and take rest. This was the condition of the Tarapur village. when there was no tree. So, he began planting trees beside the road, in or around the bazaars, schools, colleges, open fields, and many other places. He began planting trees at the age of 10. Now let us know the rest of the story by silent reading from the textbook, page number 54. Okay. Then read the story and answer the questions. B. True or false? If false, give the correct information. Number 1. He planted the first tree 50 years ago. Is it true or false? From your passage, what do you know? He started his planting when he was 10. Now he is 63 years old. If we deduct 10 years from 63, we get 53 years. Okay, this is true. Number 2, Kartik borrowed money from others to plant trees. From the passage, what do you know? We know Kartik paid all the money from his pocket. So, he did not borrow money from others to plant trees. It is false. Our correct answer is Kartik did not borrow money from others to plant trees, or he paid all the money from his pocket to plant trees. Number 3, he would plant trees around his heart only. Is it true or false? Of course it is false. We know he would plant trees beside the roads, in and around the bazaars, schools, colleges, in open fields, and many other places. Everywhere of his villages, he planted trees. Number 4, at times, Kartik would water his plants at night because he felt lazy during the day. Is it true? No. From the passage, we have learned that Kartik was very industrious. He had to work hard the whole day to earn money for his family. So occasionally he had to go out at dead of night to water the plants. Otherwise, the plants would die. So it is also false. Correct answer. At times he would water his plants at night because he was busy with his occupation during the day. Next question, C. Question number C. Choose the best answer. 1. Kartik was a ... by profession. We know from the passage there are 4 answers: cultivator, tree planter, day laborer, hairdresser. Kartik was a hairdresser by profession. His mission is to make the village green by cultivating paddy in the fields, B. growing grass in all the fallow land, planting fodder for the cattle, planting many trees. His mission is to make choose the best answer. His mission is to make the village green by planting many trees. Number 3, some of Kartik trees are big and great, gigantic, enormous, kingly. Which one is best answer? Gigantic. Some of Kartik trees are big and gigantic. Number 4, some of his trees are 15 to 20 years old. B, 25 to 35 years old. C, 35 to 40 years old. D, 40 years old. From the passage, we have learned that some of his trees are 35 to 40 years old. Now read the passage again and fill in the gaps with appropriate words. Kartik Paramanik is a hairdresser by profession, but a nature lover at heart. He made his dash in his village by planting trees at his own dash. He started planting dash 10. At times he dash the plants at dead of night. His passion for planting trees dash that he is a nature lover. Okay, I am helping you. 1. He made his mark. We know he planted his trees at his own expenses. He started planting when he was 10. We use preposition at. Before is, we have to use preposition at. Here is at. At times, we know at dead of night he watered the plants. D, he watered the plants. Watered. His passion for planting trees. E, proves that he is a nature lover. Okay, correct answer. A, mark. B, expense. C, at. D, watered. E, proofs. Okay. There is a homework for you. Read the text again and answer the questions. Who is Kartik Paramanik? Number 2, how do you understand that he is a nature lover? Number 3, why did he plant trees? Number 4, what do you understand by the saying, a man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around in nature? Okay, I am giving some hints about the answers of the questions so that you can answer the question easily. Who is Kartik Paramanik? Kartik Paramanik is a nature lover. He is a hairdresser by profession. He lives in Tarapur. How do you understand that he is a nature lover? He is a nature lover. He started planting trees at 10. He always, all the whole day, he had to work hard, but at night, he did not sleep. He planted trees, watered the plants. He has spent his time. He has spent his all the time for planting trees. Even as today, now he continues planting trees. Why did he plant trees? He planted trees because there was noticed people could not get any place to sit and take rest in the burning sun. He planted trees. His mission was to make the village green. What do you understand by the saying, a man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around in nature? Actually, Kartik Polamanik is an illiterate person, but he has made his mark in his village by planting trees everywhere of his village. Okay, my dear students, let us plant tree and save environment like Kartik Polamanik. Okay, we plant tree, save environment. It is our mission today. Thank you all. See you again.